17 and I believe I got all the love I'll ever need, 'cause nothing hurts yet. And I still see the stars even at night it isn't dark. No empty hole inside my heart, 'cause I haven't learned yet what it's like to be torn apart, laying on the ground wondering who you are, staring at the worn pieces of your heart, daring you to love him despite the fall. It's devastating and it's beautiful. I'm 23 and I have seen the saddest kind of misery, but I haven't lost yet. All my youthful hope, I've been the victim, been the crime, but I know that goodness is alive, even though I know what it's like to be torn apart, laying on the ground wondering who you are, staring at the worn pieces of your heart, daring you to love him despite the fall. It's devastating and it's beautiful. And even when I'm nearly gone, I hope that I'm still singing songs of loss and love, 'cause I'd be right, and I know what it's like to be torn apart, laying on the ground wondering who you are, staring at the worn pieces of your heart, daring you to love her despite the fall. It's dead.